tongue, the missile. Death without bloodshed and disease. How strange, it dampens one with ease. Death without bloodshed and disease. How strange, it dampens one with ease. Sweet and bitter, roses and briar. Sweet and bitter, roses and briar. Death and life, hope and despair. Death and life, hope and despair. Two contrasting things from the same outlet. Two contrasting things from the same outlet. Empowered with the power to pet and wet. Empowered with the power to pet and wet. The boneless organ, the tongue, the missile. The boneless organ, the tongue, the missile. Two-edged sword, defense and destruction while. Two-edged sword, defense and destruction while. Be diligent what yours broadcast. Be diligent what yours broadcast. Let it always be good tidings and blessings forecast. Let it always be good tidings and blessings forecast. By Mrs. Mary Rani.